Hi, baby. Hi. It's good? Hi. What you doing? You sure don't have a lot of feathers on your head, do ya? Hi, sweetheart. Hi. You're such a good birdie. Are you gonna let me come out, or are you gonna fly away? Oh, you're gonna sit up there. Okay, you can sit up there. I'm not gonna bother ya. Here, let's see if we can put a couple up here. Peanuts. Put them on there. Come on. He's so bald. Hi, baby. You're such a good birdie. What you doing, buddy? I love you. Where you going? Beak. Mountain climbing. You're so cute. You and your little gimpy footies. You're so cute. I love you. You walk so cute. Hi, Laura. Buzzard. Hi, Buzzard. You're so pretty. Pikachu. Chicken. Yum, 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 yum. Hi, Hedwig. Hi, buddy. Turkey, 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 turkey. Hi, buddy. Pearl, you're always so pretty. You are. And Arnie had his toes did today. Yeah. He's got a pedicure done at the vet. Good birdie, Arnie. Hedwig, you're so pretty. My daughter-in-law on Sunday did my shadow box with my Métis sash and my rabbit's foot necklace and the warrior painting. She did that for me. I think it's beautiful. She's very creative.